Hi guys, it's Amy with A2Z Stamping, and today I'm doing a card for you using the Dashing Deer stamp set. This came out last year in the holiday catalog, and I just love it. I was so happy to see it carried over. It has these cool deer. It is a Christmas set. Many Merry Thanks, happiest Christmas wishes, and then a couple of sentiments. There are coordinating dies, the detailed deer dies, and I came up with this cute little thank you card, and I thought I'd show you. All right, this card is so simple. All right, so what we're gonna do is I grabbed the, what do we call it? The rectangle stitched framelits dies, and I cut a rectangle out in Whisper White cardstock using this die right here. So I have a stitched rectangle here. And in case you're wondering, this is the rectangle that measures about 3 3/4 by about 2 1/4. So I cut that out in Whisper White, and then I have a piece of Night of Navy cardstock, and this is cut at 1 1/2 by 4 3/4, and I need to grab my triple banner punch, and I'm going to cut this into a banner. So I'm going to feed this right in here. All right, and so it cuts a banner. All right, then I took some of our silver glimmer paper. Love our glimmer paper. And I grabbed this die right here of this deer and ran it through my Big Shot to get this guy. Isn't that awesome? And our glimmer paper is so cool now, you guys. You could rub it all over you and you will not get glitter anywhere. The old glimmer paper used to leave glitter everywhere, and people didn't like that. This won't do that anymore. So I have this guy, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab my Night of Navy ink, and I'm going to stamp the Many Merry Thanks. So I'm going to ink that up, and I'm just going to stamp it in the bottom right corner here of this rectangle. Many Merry Thanks. And let me grab my chamois and clean off my stamp. See, all clean. Okay. That's all the stamping, and now we can put our card together. You guys, seriously, this is such a simple card. All right, so for my card base, I'm using a piece of thick Whisper White cardstock. You always want to use the thick Whisper White if it's your card base. All right, then I have a piece of Night of Navy cardstock. Oh, and the thick Whisper White was 8 1/2 by 5 1/2. This here is 4 by 5 1/4. And this is going to go right on the top. Then I have another piece of Whisper White cardstock, and this is 3 3/4 by 5. And that's going to go right here. You could replicate this card using different colors, not Night of Navy. If you want to be more traditional, you could do garden green or cherry cobbler or something like that, and this would look amazing. Then we're going to take our banner, and this guy's going to go, oops, what did I get on there? I don't know, we'll just cover that up. I got something on there. This is going to go right here, and then our rectangle is going to go right here. I love the white on white. When it's stitched or something, it looks so cool. And finally, our deer, I'm going to stick some dimensionals on the back. I'm so excited to start working on Christmas cards and Christmas things. I love that time of year. And I'm just going to peel these off. So I have 2 regular dimensionals, and I have a mini dimensional. And this guy is going to go right here, and that is my card. And you guys, how cool is that? Wouldn't these make great thank you cards for after Christmas? And that was so simple. And here's one I did earlier. So cool, right? So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.